Hello YouTube, welcome to Home and Garden Fix and Tricks. I'm Michael. In today's video, I am going to remove some of this grass from around these two trees. One an orange here and a cherry up there. We're going to mold them up. Had some fertilizer, but we're also going to use the grass to establish at the back. The back of the house don't really have grass like this. By the way, this is called zoysia grass. And I don't know the variety because they have different variety of zoysia. I don't know this variety, but the property with the grass, so I don't know. So I'm going to use the grass to establish at the back as well. So that is the main reason why I'm doing it. Just cut the yard today. It's looking good. So watch me do it. So folks, we have a problem with this. The grass keeps going over onto the orange tree. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this to create a barrier so that inside of it, in the inside the area, that is the space right around the plant, you don't have the grass growing like this. I remove this from right here. So a lot of root tying up the base of the plant, basically suffocating it and preventing it from growing properly. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut this like so. Then I'm going to put it over it like that. Create a barrier right around the plant, so we don't have anything growing around it in the grass. Because this grass, it don't really go deep, it goes shallow, so it won't be able to go, and then we can't able to manage it. You understand, Tanisha?
Yeah.
Initially, that's how we should have done it.
Cycle.
Come a little bit closer. Come on.
Butlers, them will kill me.
Show some gone. People don't know. I tell you, see the grass. Now I go too deep. Ouch. I see the root of the orange tree. So let's get it all like that now. Get that perfect barrier. My back feel it.
You hear the rain?
You hear it.
No, sir.
I try to work against it, people. So the aim is to make sure so no grass no grow in here, so you understand? In here. Tomorrow I come, if you make sure say take out all of these grass. You don't want the grass to go inside here.
So are you telling me that those little grass will grow back?
Yes.
Much
You better believe it.
I didn't know that.
You can't have nothing growing. The land I go just go right around it now, you know? Nice little barrier. Get the rake.
That's the amount of grass you take from around the roots.
I'm going to plant them at the back. I'll plant this at the back.
Not today, right?
Well, if the rain permit me, if the weather rather, as I see like it will rain. So this look much better now, isn't it, Tanisha?
Yeah.
You
As I say, you shouldn't wait long time.
Yeah, so even when you're cutting with the waka, you cut around the edge. You know what I'm saying? Nice little bad. Let me carry the rake. a nice little border around. Show them that one, Tanisha. Show them this one. So people, this is how that one down here was like this. So this, the grass is growing up onto the plant and it is stifling the plant. That's why we have to do it like this.
And this is a cherry tree.
So this is just a border that we create around it. That will keep the grass away from the root zone.
Very soon we soon have cherry to drink juice. By next year it will grow, right? Or it have to grow bigger?
And next year it's supposed to start fruit.
Okay.
Mature now, you know? So, the grass are going to spread, but can't go in here, so which is that we want. Basically, that's what we want. Easy to maintain. See me bring it and come above the ground level with it. So that when you're cutting, you can see it, that something is there, man. Yeah. So I'm going to do that one up there too, before it gets any bigger. But that is for another project or another day. Yeah, beautiful. You can get some nice loose soil now and put in here. So. Even if you have 1 and 2 grass, we will go below and come up, it will be easier to manage now. You don't have all of them coming over. Get some fertilizer and come check and add it to it. So what I'm going to do now is to mulch it in this area so that we can lock in the moisture. And as we say, from time to time we just have to monitor it and ensure say the grass not go inside here. So that is it. Thank you very much, guys. And remember, if you have something like that, if you have a plant like this that is being root bound, if you have it on the lawn and the grass has stifled it, this is a good way how to correct that. So we're going to do the cherry, but it's for another time.
Because the rain is coming.
Yeah. So we'll get this grass now to the back, and then tomorrow we can plant them out. So carry them out.
So remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend about home and garden fix and tricks. Peace out.